This story is all about tour in dark night woods. Get ready for goosebumps. Use headphones for better experience. Let's start. Scene 1. When me and my friend Todd meets to each other on vacation. After that we went into the dark woods for searching her pewter collection. How are you, Todd? Happy to see you after a long time. I hope you are doing well.
Hello Jack, I am good. What about you?
I am also fine.
That's good. Let's meet my friends Sharky, Murphy and his little brother. Let's play a game with them.
Okay, let's play, guys.
Hey Todd, show me that thing. What's in your hand? It's my pewter collection which is very close and precious to me. Give it to me.
After taking the pewter collection of Toad, Sharky and his brothers escaped from that place and ran into the dark woods.
Let me back my beautiful pewter collection. Please give me back Sharky.
Don't worry, Toad. I will take it back for you. Scene 2. When we are outside of dark woods, we saw two red lights were blinking in the opposite direction of our path. So we choose white light. Oh my god, what is that? Is this a human skeleton?
This place is so horrible. Which way we have to go, Jack? To the red light path or to the white light path?
Don't be afraid. We will go to the white light path. Okay, Toad?
Jack, hurry up. I want my box in short time. It is very much precious to me because those pewter collections are like my best friends. I don't want to lose them.
Oh, come on, Toad. Don't make excuses. Let's follow me.
There are two lights. It's probably means double trouble.
Toad follows too closely behind the Jack. She keeps stepping on Jack's heels. Scene 3. When we finally entered into the dark woods.
What's that?
I think it is the sound of someone's feet. It seems someone is coming near to us. Jack shines his flashlight towards the voice coming and on the person's face. Let me shine some flashlight on it. Guys, who's that? Oh god, Alice, it's you. What are you doing here in this late night?
Hey, get that light out of my eyes. It's me only.
Jack points the beam of lights at the ground as Alice steps out from
What
behind
about
the
you,
trees.
Jack? Why are you creeping around the woods at night here?
I am here because Murphy's brother stole Todd's pewter collection box, so I am searching for it. By the way, Alice, meet my friend Todd.
Hello, Todd. Oh, please don't cry. We will find it and give it back to your hands.
Scene 4. When we find two buried boxes in mounds and during time we faced some obstacles on our path. Suddenly flashlight shines on mounds. Hey, Todd and Alice, wait, I think someone has buried something here. Let's start digging. All three picks a different mounds of fresh dirt and start digging with their hands.
Oh, yes. I got it.
Yes, I got something too. There were two boxes founded by Alice and Jack. One was red and the another one white box.
Oh, my pewter collection. I'm so happy to...
I don't think either of these boxes belongs to you. When we are just about to open the boxes, then we hear a thunderous crushing voice.
Guys, I'm so scared. Someone is coming towards us.
It's werewolf!
Werewolves are going to do attack on Todd and Alice. They want some help from Jack.
Jack, please help me.
Jack, please help us, save us.
Wait, don't be afraid. I think I have something in the box. When Jack opens the box, there is a candy which helps in increasing the thoughts and mind power, and which can also change the behavior. Let's see what's inside in the box, guys. Oh, it's a candy. Werewolf starts opening his mouth. Suddenly Jack throws the candy on the werewolf's mouth. Then he was licking the candy instead of eating Alice and Todd.
Touch it. Oh my god. His body is full of hairs. Ew.
Let me shine some flashlight on it.
It's a dog, not werewolf. It means we scared without any reason.
Oh, thank God, it's a dog, not a werewolf. God saved us from dying.
What about my box?
Oh, please shut up, Todd. Now.
Oh, come on, Todd, just shut your mouth. It is only because of you that we got stuck, and still you are talking about that stupid box.